Fredward, we have to finish him off. I didn't want. Hey man, come over here.
Oh, okay, Fredward, we won!
You've just won animal battle. The cops are gonna blame me for this. I won! Hey man, come with me. What's wrong?
What? You killed that guy! I didn't kill him! No!
Get on the wall! Get on the wall! Right here! I'm gonna get on the wall. Why did you kill that guy?
I didn't mean to. I didn't even kill him. No, seriously, he was running to me and I didn't. No, the death penalty!